Now in this section, let's learn how to use the pen tool. Let me delete all of this. Before we move on drawing using the pen tool, let us close the fill first. You can click this one to close the fill. Right, later on we just select the pen tool here, or you just simply press P for shortcut. And we just simply draw a rectangular shape here. Click on it and drag to any point. When you're about to close, you can see there is an O shape beside the pen tool. That means that you are about to close the shape. Now you have a complete shape here. What will happen if let's say you near the line, you can see immediately the pen tool have a plus sign here. Means that you is about to add a point there. When you click on it, you click A and double click on the point just now you have created. You can move around the shape. Alright. One thing great about the Adobe CC is that you can curve the point if let's say you see the point is showing on the screen. This point let you to curve the line. Alright. Now let's learn how to draw a S shape. Click on it and click to another point. Hold your left mouse click and drag. You can see immediately there is a curve shape. Once you release, you move on to another. You can see your mouse is about to curve the things, but you don't want to curve the thing right. So how do you do in order to not curve the things? So what you can do is that you go on to the anchor point here, click Alt and click on the point. You can see that your curve point is no longer there. Now you can draw, you can repeat the same stuff onto another point, hold on it and release, Alt, click on it and repeat the process again. Now you already have your things done, right? So in order to escape from this one, click escape and click V. Now you have learned the basic operation of the pen tool. Let's learn how can you apply the pen tool on a basic drawing. Now on the description below you can download the Nike icon, which we can use for practice. Now I want you to do is that go to your layer, create another new layer, and then place your Nike on the layer 2. After that, just scroll down a bit, scale down and to a proper size, and you can decrease the transparencies of the images. How can you do that? Click on transparency. If you guys cannot find where is the transparency, you can always look up for the window and go for transparency. Now click on the images, scale down the transparency to about I think this one is okay, like 51, like that. Okay, lock your layer 2 and press on layer 1 and zoom in a bit. Now press P and click on the point to learn how to draw on the Nike sketches. Now like just now we taught, right? Click on a point, drag until you feel that the curve is okay, then you click on the middle anchor point, then forward to another point. Let me just fasten up a bit. Alright, and then you click escape and click V. In order to see whether your Nike is complete or not, you can unclick this view to to unsee the things. Now you have noticed that this angle probably is not a good fit. Right? What you can do is that you click on A and then move this around. Alright, you can open this back again. We'll move it a bit. Okay. Click on this one and drag a bit. Alright. Okay, so overall you can see a Nike logo here already. But how about if let's say you want to fit the things? Click V, select all, and click fill, and unselect the stroke. That's all. You have a quick sketch up of a Nike logo using pen tool.